Going to Great Bedwin today and Bristol at least for the next month or so.
So morning, here we are, warming up the boat ritual on our way to Great Bedwin from where we are at the moment, which is Foxton. Yeah, so I'm not saying that we're a well-oiled machine at the moment, but we're certainly getting there. There's a few problems with the depth of the canal, so we seem to be dragging quite a bit, but we really run aground yet. But can't help thinking it might be coming. But anyway, so far so good. Everything's working well, apart from maybe the starter. We've still got the starter problem every so often, but yeah, we seem to be just getting over that. So don't know if that's going to be a problem, but anyway, everything else is working great. So all in all, come on the Neeltje. So good.
She's beautiful.
Thank you very much. This is Potter's Lock, and we're meeting our friends Anna and Neil Potter later on. So this is your lock, the Potters, and a lovely view it is too. to Annie's joy, we're going back.
It's not quite as easy as it looks, is it?
It's not. Yes.
I'm just saying,
I'm
Neil.
giving both of you some satisfaction. I thought, I'll really fuck it up there the doors.
Bruce's tunnel, I believe, and we got a very large, wide beam coming towards us. So we'll probably need to.
We might just be able to pass, might we?
We might.
I think they're just waiting for us to pass on the right hand side. They're hitting something. Is that some kind of signal, do you think? Morse code. Do you know Morse code?
There's a light ahead. What's the etiquette?
Are you good? I think we'll go for it. Turn the light on, Caroline. Yeah, so we'll
Take
go.
this bit in.
First one to the tunnel wins, I think. So
Do you want to steer? I might need to just pull that, you reckon?
let's get it through. Look for the railings, yeah? You need
Yeah, I'm a little bit off centre.
you're about right. Now start. That's it. Start coming there. Just watch. Right.
Yeah, I'm loving it. I guess once you're in, it's probably won't speak too soon. This definitely beats any previous tunnel we've been in. Fantastic. Oh, the light.
John, do you want a bit more room to get through this thing?
Just thinking of what's it called?
I know. Just can't imagine doing that, can you? Well, this has got a chain on it. Chain.
Oh, right, it's just a portion, huh? Well, yes. Well, we're very we're grateful.
I'm very glad you did. Hello, swans.
That's the teenager, that one there, isn't it?
I think they're both adolescent because they both got
a brown.
a bit of brown. Don't know what to do, dear. Because we are now at Cadley Lock, and we've reached the summit of the K&A in the previous previous lock. So we are now going down, not going up. So there you go, top lock, the K&A. That's our first downward log, and I hung my rope up. So major disaster, but we're learning. Make sure the rope doesn't form a hitch when you lock yourself up. Now the crew's working like a well-oiled machine.